kids out of this. You're there for it all long. Without papers, I know you get a papers, I know say look at you that too old figure school. Come on, on love, bring down people for nothing at all, bro. And I'm telling you this, I'm not arguing with you, Pretty Dan. And I'm not doing it. I'm gonna show you that when I play with my power boy. Yeah. So if you're power with lethal weapon and a little dancer rasta youth, when time they see you, make them come defend it. Or anybody see you. You're doing too much. So let me tell you this, if a lethal black see a power and thinking can defend you, just relax, bro. You just get up every day on the dip on people name. Find something do. If I was making so much money as you saying you making on YouTube, I wouldn't come over here on TikTok when it's about to lock down. Like you being stupid, bro. You being stupid, dog. And I don't see one sense in it. And the people that may push it on, bro, I mean, know your mother don't like it, bro. Me know your mother don't like it. But you can't push out no picnic out of your pussy. All them for your pussy supposed to think. And no picnic can't come out of it. So you dislike everybody else picnic. You dislike everybody else will get a youth. And you need to stop that. Come on, bro. I wanna laugh about when people like this people picnic. I wanna laugh, bro. I want to know. Me could have come over here and talk about Ivan every day, no? But we not hate Ivan enough to see Ivan go back home and lose our family and lose the kids, our kid. Me not hate Ivan enough to see Ivan sleep out the door with our picnic. Me can't have them wicked intention there in my heart, bro. No, me cuss Ivan now till the morning. But I don't want to see Ivan outside with our picnic. I would never want to see that. I would never want to see something like that. For God, when me I do come over here and cuss about the picnic, for God take away my blessings. My blessings. Bro, on a run joke with people picnic too much like picnic, a picnic, bro. You over here talk about picnic, give me and give back and go back. Sometimes when you know on our rampage and stop a little play thing, bro. So I'm not come over here and show me that, you know. Yeah, I will hurt when I know. I will hurt when I know. When you love off a picnic game and both send picnic, you don't know what the chat say. Skin out your pussy and make 10 man fuck you now. But you see, every night you just go suck pussy and your woman just suck back your pussy. You don't know when some hard cock reach woman and then get up and stagger blood clot morning. Stagger. And make them behave them blood clot self. And behave yourself. You know? You get to and behave your blood clot self. But you're there and you act like you need to calm down, bro. I mean, I take this out and not joke, bro. Last time you see you come in a store, Carvet park up out a door, pay for my food. That was 3 weeks ago. And if I'm lying, ask Chevy. Ask Chevy. You come in a store, rich hero, you rich Carvet out a door. You're my richest man on the internet, pay for my food. And I didn't pay for your food. And you know what Chevy did said, Chevy said, I shall pay for your blood clot food. And come cuss you about your blood clot pay for food now. Look how you see me last week, clap me up. Oh, me a toughest thing and oh, this and that. The next time you see me, I'm not laughing with you. I'm showing my strength, boy. Because now play up with me.
Yo, I apologize, but the life that when I do, I made a talk about a beer mother and thing. You see, pretty dark. I watch you know. You don't know, say me a good session, you bro. And more beside myself and I say something out of my mouth, bro. And you know what? Me of all person shouldn't even go so bam and touch your other half car. The other day some people that call up me and my wife name and my mother name and it hurt me in some holy power because guess what? My household that you know they made it. But watch out. I apologize to you and Yannick, I apologize to you. I'm very sorry. You understand what I did? You take a big person, you can tell you sorry, you see me? And talk about your little boy and all of that. You feel me I did? And puppy, you don't know. Bro, man, I mean, this stay like that before they understand what I did because say what me come from far. You see, pre? I'm sorry I hurt you like that and talk about your family like that. You see, pre? Because I don't mean intention that, my boy. You see me? Because I don't like nobody talk about Camille. I don't like nobody talk about me. You see, pre? So what you know? Sorry, my G. I say, you know? Sorry, my father. And I'm going to make sure try to make it up to you in a little way. You know? Yeah. Blessings, man. And you need respect. You see, pre? And you look a boy. So I'm so sorry.
Hustler, back at it again. My viewers, you know see what going on. I'm not here to. What do I them think? You know think that's apology from Pretty Dan was sincere? Or was it not sincere? Which one? You can let me know in the comment box below. You hear that? But let me give you my opinion on this apology where Pretty Dan come out and I apologize to Facebook hero about. Let me tell you why she come out apologize right now. And where me and meds go on. You see Joe to Pretty Dan mess up now. Cause you see how she go up and rant on this Facebook hero youth. Bring the man little youth tonight, a little 2 or 3 year old child. That's so innocent. Have nothing to do with your conversation on social media. Right? Oh, him get involved. So no Pretty Dan sissy, she mess up. And the whole internet a go bash her now. Or the whole internet a come down pan her now. The whole our people, the whole our fans them a bash her. You know what I mean? Them a throw shades at her and them thing. They don't know the internet thing go. Once you slip and slide, they have a thing named cancel, cancel culture. So right now, Pretty Dan in between. So she don't know what to do. So the best thing somebody could tell her to do, put out a video apologize, man, about the youth and thing and them thing. For make your audience say, yo, you never mean to talk about no youth or disrespect the youth or anything. Because we can't bring little baby in the thing. And that make you lose followers and your fans them go turn upon you. So Pretty Dan come out and I apologize. Yes, and this is just for a sykes, a show, a put on. That's what me feel. Just a show. Cause you know Pretty Dan no care. She diss anybody, she diss who she want this, and no care. So why now you come out to apologize? Look how long you had this Facebook era a show you with. So why now? You come out and this show you come and involve him youth now and be a people have negative things to say about it now. That's why you come back to try bring back a positivity to you. But no positivity now over your side, Pretty Dan. You mess up, man. No matter the apology you come with right now, man. Me no know. You mess up. For put the man youth in this. Yeah, man. That me thing. I'm Pretty Dan. Remember the old saying where the elders them used to say? Today for you, tomorrow for me. Rustler, I'm out.